gynecomastia or male boobs. Do I really have it? Do I need to do something about it? There are a lot of confusion and doubts in patients' mind about what exactly gynecomastia is. So let's discuss this in detail today. Hi, I'm Dr. Sachin, and today we'll be talking about gynecomastia, the causes and symptoms. So, what exactly is gynecomastia? When we grow, there are male and female, both hormones are there in our body. As we grow in boys, the female hormones level decrease and the male hormone level increases, and that determines or decides our male appearance. Some traces of these female hormone levels are left in your body, and that leads to formation of this gland or breast gland in male patients, and that is called as gynecomastia. What are the common signs of gynecomastia? 1. Increase in the size of the chest, palpation of lump or some swelling in your chest, increase in the thickness of your chest, swelling or tenderness of breast tissue, and overprojection of nipple. These are the signs that you have gynecomastia and you need to consult your doctor. Causes of gynecomastia. So, what are the reasons behind this? As we discuss, hormonal changes is the most important thing that leads to this gynecomastia formation. Some underlying health issues, some medicines will lead to disturbances in the hormone levels. Increase in the female hormone level can cause to increase the tissue in the chest. This will lead to formation of breast tissue or male breast, which we call as gynecomastia. So, if you have any doubt, meet your doctor. He will do some blood test for you. He'll examine you and he'll tell you whether it's just a simple chest fat or it's a gynecomastia. And you don't have to worry about it. There are some simple measures, some simple surgeries that will be a permanent solution to your gynecomastia issues. So, what are the recent treatments in gynecomastia? So, when we were studying surgery, there were procedures wherein we used to take a large cut on your chest, remove the tissue, and put sutures. It would give us a very bad, ugly scar. But with the help of plastic surgery, with the help of liposurgery, with the help of liposuction, we can do a very small surgery without any scars. So, what exactly we do? We put small punctures in your chest, put small tubes, remove or extract all the fat that is present around the nipple, and we do a small cut around your nipple. Through the cut, the gland is removed. Stitches are placed inside your skin. So, practically, there is no scar or there is no cut on your skin, and the skin is closed or the nipple cut is closed from beneath. So, there are no stitches to be seen from outside as well. After closing the cut, we ask you to wear pressure garments for a period of 2 months, and that is to re-drape or contract your skin. As there is excess skin, we remove the fat, the skin is going to be some loose and it may cause wrinkling. So, with the help of these pressure garments, we make the skin tighten back and flatten back. So, a cosmetic day care procedure called as lipoexcision will lead to permanent cure of this gynecomastia. So, what are the questions you should ask if you feel you have gynecomastia? It often leads to shyness or patients not wearing tight shirts. There are always awkward moments when you feel your chest is protruding and you're not comfortable wearing those kinds of t-shirts. So ask these questions if you have gynecomastia. 1. Do I really have it? You might be having simple fat pad and you may consider it as gynecomastia. So talk to your surgeon, he'll examine you and he'll tell you whether you really have a gynecomastia or not. Second, is the surgery permanent? Can I get permanently rid of this? Yes. There is a simple procedure called as lipoexcision, wherein you can permanently get rid of your gynecomastia without any scars. Fourth, what is the post-operative period be like? There will be simple dressing for say 5 to 6 days. After that, you'll be asked to wear pressure garments for a period of 1 to 2 months. That will lead to a permanent flattening, skin redraping, and a good contour to your chest. Will there be any scars? No. We perform lipoexcision. Small cuts, 2 to 3 millimeter diameter, are taken along the lateral chest wall. A very small cut is taken around the wrinkled dark skin of nipple. So practically there is no scar on any of the chest skin. What is the age group? Usually, these patients of gynecomastia may have regression of their symptoms by the age of 13 to 14 years. After 14 to 15 years, if you are still having this gynecomastia or chest swelling, you will need surgery for that. Is there any chances of cancer? No. Gynecomastia is a completely safe thing. There is no chance of gynecomastia. There is no functional issues. It's just the cosmetic part that we need to tackle or take care of. What is the cost of surgery? So usually it takes around 60 to 70,000 rupees for the gynecomastia, which involves your anesthesia, medicine, post-operative medicines, and the pressure garments you need to wear for a month period. So meet your plastic surgeon, ask him these questions, and get rid of this gynecomastia permanently. Thank you.